In this video, I'm going to talk about parameter. Parameter is what? Any shape, any shape, okay? Like this triangle, you add all around the side, right? Distance around the side for any shape, you add all around the sides. That's what this parameter is. For example, this is the rectangle, okay? So this rectangle, this side has 9 centimeter, and this side has 25 centimeter. So which means this side is equal this side, and this side is equal the opposite side. So these two sides are equal. So if this is 9, this is also is 9. If this is 25, and this is all 25. So when you do in parameter, you add all the sides. So what do we have? We have 25 this side plus 25 this side, 50. 9 this side and 9 this side is what? 18. It will become 68. So find this rectangle for the parameter, it becomes 68 because you add all the around. It doesn't matter which shape you have. Let's say you get shape like this, and then goes this way, and then goes this, goes that. All you gotta do is make sure you add this link. You're gonna add this link, add it this to that. The total is the parameter when you add all. This is the also a square. So a square, as you can see, all sides are equal. If this is 5 centimeter, here is 5, here is 5, here is 5. So you add the square. So it's a square, you can use multiplication. You can say 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side times what? 5 centimeter. You get 20. Or you can use this method. You can add all the sides. 5 plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20. So you can add all the sides like the rectangle. Or you can multiply the fourth side times whatever the number you have. Here we have what? 5. So we have to multiply 5 to 4. We get 20. This is how you do the square, and this is how you do the parameter. Okay, we see for the parameter. Let's look for the area of a square and area of rectangle. So we did before parameter of rectangle and parameter of square. Now let's do the area of the square and area of the rectangle. Rectangle, square. So the rectangle is width, length times width. This is we call width, and this is we call length. So you multiply this side to this side. Where what we done the parameter, we add all the side. Now area is different. You multiply only the width times the length. So let's say your length is 5 and your width is 2. So your area, which is A, equal to length times width. What is your length? 5 centimeter. What is your width? 2 centimeter. So 2 times 5 is 10. What about centimeter? This has one exponent and this has one exponent when you multiply. So it will be a square, centimeter square, right? What about the square shape? So a square, all sides are equal, but what we did was we have to square the side. Let's say this 3 square gives you all the side. Or you can do like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, but you can do that. That's only for parameter. But when it comes to area, you just square one of the side. That gives you the area of the square. That's how you do the area of the square. You square one of the side. So 3 square, which is equal to 3 times 3 is 9 centimeter square. Anytime you multiply numbers, the unit number you square. So now what you have? 3 square is, which is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So this is how you find the square. This is how you find the rectangle when it comes to area. right? And we see all the side. Parameter, you add all the side, right? Whether you have the square or rectangle or any other shape. Parameter, you add all the square. But all the other shape, each one has different formula. Like for instance, rectangle, we multiply width and the length, we get the area. Square, we square one of the side and then we get the area. This is for the 6th grade.